Welcome back, guys, to Christine's Jamaican Kitchen. Welcome back to the fabulous kitchen. As you can see, I have some fried chicken going on right here with some vegetable, rice and bean, and I have my lemonade to go. So I'm gonna show you guys how I made my fried chicken. But before I get started, if you haven't already, hit that like and subscribe button. Tap that notification bell to be notified as soon as there's more recipes available. Go ahead and do that right now. Here is all my ingredients that I need for this dish. Allspice, black pepper, parsley flake, salt, Maggie all-purpose, garlic powder, curry powder or turmeric, egg, flour, vinegar, lime, butter, chicken. Okay guys, so my chicken was already washed with my vinegar, lime, cut up to the pieces that are how I want it, and it's been marinating, sitting here with all my powder seasoning, my Maggie, my all-purpose, my black pepper, my parsley flakes, and it's been marinating for a couple of hours. Well, you know, I always tell you, marinate your chicken from overnight. So right now we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna add our flour to a container. So as you can see, I have some flour in here already, but don't worry, remember I always have the measurements in the description box below. So right now I have some flour, and I'm gonna go ahead and add some more seasoning to my flour. Right here, there's a special little trick. Little bit of curry powder or turmeric, just to give that chicken, that fried chicken, that nice yellow look. Just a little bit. Let me set this aside. And bring in my eggs. So I'm using 2 eggs today. Add some butter. And just beat it up. That's what we say, beat it up. So you would stir it up or whip it up, whatever you think you want to say you're doing, that's fine. Beat it up, whip it up, mix it up. And I usually use the butter when it's melt. So sometimes I may just kind of melt it out in the microwave if I just take it out of the fridge. But I had it sitting for a while out, so it's pretty liquidy. Is that the right word? Liquidy? Tar out. Soft. All right, me done whip up my egg and my butter together. So I'm just gonna dip my meat in it, just like this. So I have my flour right here in that container. So you wanna just dip your meat in it. Add it to your flour container. And guys, some of this chicken here, I left the skin on it. When you're frying the chicken and you leave the skin on it, it gives it a nice, crispy, you know, look and taste. Tastes so good. That's the only way I eat the skin. Otherwise, I take all the skin off. See? Piece of the skin right there. Because this is what's gonna hold it to the flour. So you want something to hold the flour on the meat. You don't have to try put all of it in at once. Just put enough. Get enough in your container. Cover. Shake. Some people use the container, some people use a Ziploc bag, whatever you want to use. I use my dish like this and just close it really tight and just shake it. Make sure it gets all over. Meanwhile, this is going on. You have your pot. I have my pot on the stove getting hot. Okay, you want your pot to be super hot. And then I'm gonna add my oil. This is what it should look like. Fully covered. Guys, I'm over here by the stove. Cooking so much. Put on so much weight. Suck it in a little. Anyways, my stove is on high heat and I'm ready to add my oil. So you want to add enough oil to your pot because you need it to cover your meat. So a whole heap of oil you need in your pot so you can cover your meat. I know that my pot is hot because if you could see when I was throwing the oil in it, how it was kind of smoky a little. So I know my pot is hot because I had it, you know, preheating for a while before I add my oil. Because we want it to be like really, really super hot. Some people, what they do is they will throw a little bit of flour in it. And if they see it bubble up, they said, oh, it's hot and what you not. Whatever you want to do, whatever floats your boat, you can do. But with me, I know that my pot is super hot. Shake, 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 shake. Oh my gosh. All right, so you kind of shake it so you get the excess flour off. Shake it. Add it to your pot. Now just go throw it down in there because you know hot oil will flash up and it will burn you. So you want to gently place it in the pot. At this point, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna turn my stove down. I'm gonna put it to medium heat. Because I want them to take time and fry. I don't want them to burn up. Okay guys, so I just tell you, I just giving you all of my little secrets because I say we are family, right? So I have this little thing here. I think I got it when I bought a pot set. I don't remember, but I just love it. I just love using it when I'm frying the chicken because look, I'm gonna show you how it works for me. I'm gonna show you how this thing here works for me. So I'm turning over. See, I'm turning my chicken. Turning, so you want to take your time because you don't want the oil to splash out of the pot and burn you. So, all right, so this little thing here, I use it and I would stick the chicken with it. Right? And I don't know if you can see, but you see that little area coming up, that little redness coming out? That means your chicken not ready when you're frying. So this is what I use, and it tells me when my chicken is ready, when my fried chicken is ready. So I keep poking, poke, and I will see it. You know, I will see that redness coming out of it, so I know it's not ready. So I have it on medium heat because you want your chicken to fry really nice, crispy and nice. You don't want it on high heat and then on the outside fry or bun up on the outside and inside is not done. You want it well done. Look at this. Ready, ready. Guys, dinner is ready. I have my fried chicken. I have some vegetable on the side. I have rice and bean, and I made my special gravy to go, or special sauce to go with my fried chicken. So you just put a little bit of curry powder in your flour because you want to get that nice little color, yellowish color. And of course, add some butter in your egg because you want to get that moist. You want your chicken moist, and that will keep your chicken moist. I find that recipe to be so good, so moist, so nice. Let me go ahead and dig right in. Look at that. Guys, this is so good. The sauce, everything just worked perfectly. Well done and everything. My vegetables. Guys, the sauce, the seasoning, everything is just, man, may I tell you, Christine Kitchen, bad like yours. Catch you guys next time. Thanks for watching. For more recipes, click the link over here.